Hi there. Welcome to the video. I'm gonna explain what I'm doing with my makeup, and if it turns out good, I'll make it a tutorial. If it doesn't, I'll just make it like a dumb makeup video. But I mean, like, I guess by the title, you'll know what it is. Or I'll put a question mark in the title, so like, is it a tutorial or is it garbage? I don't know. I guess the thumbnail will have the makeup, so... So I'm doing skeleton makeup, hint hint. I've been really into like vaporwave aesthetic, lo-fi, I don't know, but I love the colors and I love, you know, the vibe, yo. So I'm gonna make a skeleton that's like a rainbow skeleton, not a boring skeleton, a rainbow skeleton. So the skelly is gonna have like, I'm gonna do the basic outline of it in black and white, and then I'm gonna go in and shade it with colors, like eyeshadow colors. Now, if I know anything about shading, which I don't, I wanna do like light colors like pink and yellow on my highlights, and then like purples and blues in the cheeks, or the shadows, I guess. I don't know. I mean, it's gonna be an adventure, and I'm gonna hate editing it, but here we go. My brain is exploding with ideas. So I guess first I should create my base. I think I'll do foundation and concealer. Okay, I'll do powder, but I'm gonna do white eyeshadow as a powder as well to like whiten up my face. I probably won't bring it down my neck just because I'm lazy and I don't feel like it. Okay, so I did a layer of foundation and I decided I wanted to do the white part while it's still like moist. Face has been whitened, so like DIY face paint, if you don't have any, just use eyeshadow. I'm gonna use like a pointy, what is this? Eyeshadow eyeliner brush. I'm gonna take some black on it and use an eyeshadow to like figure out where my skull parts are gonna go. This girl has her eyebrows as like framing the socket, the eye socket, which is what I'm gonna do. Cause I can't come up with anything else. Ooh, she's dark. So it kind of goes like around and then it goes in and out. We'll make it better, don't worry. And then in at like the corner of the eye. And back out up here. Does that look right? No. But it will look right. Maybe. I'm gonna outline it with this. That way I know like where my shadows can start. Like there's gonna be a hard outline and it'll start shadowing into like blues and purples and stuff. I have it vaguely outlined. I'm going to prioritize just using layers and layers of eyeshadow because I have more control with it. Eyeliner, you have no control. But I think this is a good outline shape, I think. So I'm gonna take more black and like kind of hit the edges of it. So now I want to shadow in the outline of the sockets. I'm gonna use this brush because I grabbed it. I'm gonna start with blue, like a dark blue. And I'll probably take some black to like blend it a little bit more. Okay, so I did a light blue outline base, and then I did a purple like underneath it. So I have a light blue and a light purple, and then I'm doing a dark blue to blend them together. And then with my light purple, I'm going very underneath and like right under my eye, like touching bottom of my eye. And instead of going up to my lid, I'm just taking it up like right here, like connecting it from here up. And then I'm going to take a dark purple and kind of blend the light purple to the light blue. I've been taking like this brush, going into my black and like trying real hard to blend it along the edges. Okay, so now for my eyes, I'm actually gonna do pink, I guess, because it's the next color. That's my reasoning. It's a good reason. Using this brush because it's pink, and I'm taking like a crazy bright pink. I'm gonna put this onto my lid. I should not have used that brush. I'm gonna use a smart person brush, which is, no, that one's dirty. This brush, a packing, like flat brush, I don't know. I'm gonna take it through here. Make sure I blend it, take it to the inner corner, kind of blend it down a little bit. So I'm gonna do like a very simple winged eyeliner just cause this look wouldn't be complete without one, I guess. I don't know. I forgot to mention this earlier, but I did go along the edges with like a white just to kind of clean them up. It doesn't look great, but honestly from afar, it doesn't matter. Like, I think I'm gonna get away with this. So now I'm gonna work on the mouth part. I forgot to do this earlier because I kind of wasn't thinking, but we need to whiten out our mouth. So taking my eyebrow brush, a little bit of dark blue and a little bit of black, tap off the excess. I haven't been doing that and been getting copious amounts of fallout. Word of the day, I guess, I don't know. Okay, I lied. I'm gonna use Mr. Skinny brush so I get skinnier lines. Big brain. Okay, so I did 6 teeth like this way, and I'm gonna do 6 teeth this way, and then same for the bottom row. And I outlined where it ends. I went a little far, but that's okay because I'll just like create the hollow space right there with black. So now that we have a rough, emphasis on rough outline, I'm gonna go in and shade it with the same colors I shaded my eyes with, but taking that dark blue, I'm gonna like tap off the excess when you're doing stuff, or you'll be an idiot like me. Now I'm taking that dark purple, kind of going over it, but taking it further down to blend it more and create more of a shadow. And I'm trying to create like the roots of the tooth right here with it. So I'm kind of making it really skinny towards the bottom of the teeth. So I'm gonna take like this purple and this pink, kind of mix them together. Actually, I need a really skinny brush, like this one. This one's perfect. Pink and purple, mix them together. You know, I don't know how I'm gonna get this makeup off. And kind of fill in the center of the V with it. So basically, we need to create like 2 lines right here because it needs to be hollow. So I'm gonna take this, kind of just follow it up my face, create that cheekbone right there. I guess you could follow your own cheekbone, and I kind of did with that line. I think I'm gonna make this top one bigger. I'll take the same brush I've been using this entire time, kind of etch it out a little bit more cleanly. I don't know what I'm saying. Now taking my dark blue, I'm gonna go in the center, kind of bring it down a little bit more. I mean, there's only so much blending I can do, and then we're gonna add purple. Get a little more blue right there. Maybe some black. And then I'm gonna take this bright, bright pink, slap it in the middle. Make sure I blend it out. Get a little purple. Coming along nicely. We're looking like a very vibrant and colorful skeleton. Skeleton. So I did my cheekbones. They don't look great, but shut up. Now we need to do the nose. And I think I have an idea of what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna outline it in black. Am I talking too fast? Whatever, I don't care. Create like a V. And then go like swoop and swoop. I'm really good at explaining things. Take this down and around. Oh, heck yeah. Take this down and around. Less heck yeah. Kind of create a thick black border. Now we need some dark blue. Get some purple. And then some pink. You know what we need on the top of it is some highlight. Get a little highlight. Ooh, okay. It's coming together. This is looking great. If you're doing this for Halloween though, you want to wear it like out in the morning. This has taken me like 2 hours, I think. I don't know. The time has gone by. I am going to highlight my cheekbones though with like real highlighter. And I'm going to highlight my chin. Now for the ending, I'm just going to go the ending. That was a weird thing to say. Hit any spots I feel like need a little more shadowing, like my brows, between my lips. Okay, I'm gonna touch up the, I don't know what this is called, the tooths. You guys, this turned out so much better than I was expecting. Okay, let's take the hair out. My hands are covered in color, but oh my God, you guys. This turned out so much better than I was expecting. It's rainbow, it's colorful. It's very messy, but honestly, like, I feel like there's so much going on that detracts from the fact that it's really messy and uneven. Okay, this is so fun to do. Halloween makeup is already fun, but like, even though this took forever and it doesn't look like professional top notch, I love it. This is so cool. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching this. This is crazy cool. I'm obsessed with it. Even if it doesn't look that good, like, okay, well, thank you for watching. Again, please check out all my links below and subscribe, like, comment, all that good stuff. Yeah, okay, thank you. Bye. It's like an optical illusion when I smile. What's happening? That's so weird to me also. What am I doing?